Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever your time zone it is. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have an unbagging or unwrapping of diamond painting from Coodeals. Coodeals is this budget-friendly company. They have diamond paintings only, for what I saw, and but they give you options. You can use either round or square, and probably in some instances you probably can choose the size. Okay, so but before we do that, we welcome to the channel to new subscribers. Please hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Subscription is free. If you like this video, hit the notification bell so you can get notified. I have playlists of different crafts. That's why the channel is called Mickey and My Craft, and not Mickey and My Diamond Paintings or Mickey and My Cross Stitch or Mickey whatever paint by numbers. It's called Mickey and My Craft because I love all crafts. But this one is one that I'm looking forward to come back because I have a whole bunch of diamond paintings to do. So without further ado, let's get started. So it came in this mailer, right? I got a cutie one. Here it is. They provided me with free paper and something else, I believe. But I forgot, and I don't have it over here right now. Let's see. They gave me this as a free gift, and I honestly forgot where did I put it. The rest of the gift. So let's see. Let's continue. But you get these free paper. Well, thank you, Coodeals, for it. And let's get started. I think there was something else, but I don't know what I did with it. Honestly, I'm gonna take it out of the paper, of the wrapping, because yeah. So this is a Christmas one. It's 35 by 35, and it has 37 colors. Oh, let's take a look at this. Oh, I know what they gave me. They gave me a sheet with the DMC codes, but I don't have it over here. I think I put it away because I needed to flatten it out. Let me see. Well, I don't have it around. They gave me a sheet with a whole bunch of DMC code, which are good for when you are kitting up this. So this is a 35 by 35. I'm gonna first try to straighten it out a little bit. Oops. I like this snowman. It's so cute. I'm probably gonna be doing it pretty soon. I need to do some diamond painting too. Take a look at this. How cute is this? It has 37 colors. Where it comes is like a velvety fabric canvas. Is already serged around, you know, and and so it won't fray, which is great. They have improved quite a bit. And it also has some, take a look at this. It's shiny, the canvas. Canvas has a shine to it. It has some glitter on it. You can look at this. So that's beautiful. It has 37 colors. And all the colors is alphanumeric. And it has the DMC code. Which is good. Which is great. The field, the drilling field is clear, including the dark areas, as you can see. Let me get you closer. Here you go. You can see even the darkest areas are clear. That's good. There is no confusion between the symbols. I don't see any. I can do this. I probably do this one. Ah, he's so cute. Look at those eyes. Look at this nose. And he's drinking what? Hot coffee, hot chocolate. I say it's hot chocolate with marshmallows on it. Take a look at this. It's very festive. Very festive. He have a poinsettia with some berries on his hat. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute. And let's go see. You get this very well. I like this type of tray. And you get a pen with, I forgot the name of this. 3 placement, 3 drills on this one. And a nice piece, chunk of wax. So that's a very good kit to start. And here are the, oh, we have ABs. We have ABs. Let's take a look at this. Let me put it this way so you can see the colors better. Oh, this is good. Kudos to Coodeals. And I haven't done a long shopping for a long time. But I can't right now because I don't even know if I have to leave the country with a result of the last elections. So you get the inventory sheet, which is good. It's telling you that 37 colors, tells you the size. Here is a thumbnail. Okay. It tells you the DMC code. This is probably another code. 4.5. I don't even know what that means. Okay. Unless we use Google Translate. Let's see. Let's use Google Translate to see how it is. Here it is. Shipping day, producer weight. Actual drilling. This is the number of drills that the package has. And this original drill quantity. And this is how much they give you. Number of package. Okay. and the DMC code. So this is the original amount in the package, and this is how much they're giving you. Okay, and this is the weight. So this is very important. This is very good for you to keep it. And over here, oh, take a look at all this. Take a look at all these colors. I'm gonna do it by section because I don't wanna, you know, take a look at these drills. They're beautiful. They're vacuum sealed. And they have the number. You can use the stickers that comes with it. I'm gonna see if I can find it. But you can use the stickers that comes with it to put the sticker of the DMC code in here. So when it's time to, I got a whole bunch of drills to do. So pretty soon the number of videos is gonna go down. Here is beautiful colors, all kinds of Christmassy colors. And we're going to take a good look at the ABs. Let's see how many they have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ABs. Ooh, 7. Hold on. We're going to see them right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Take a look at this. These are the AB. AB stands for Aurora Borealis. AB stands for Aurora Borealis, which is the chemical that a coating that they put to the drill to make it shinier. Here's number 37. Yeah, and it's marked the DMC code with the letters AB. So yeah, you got 7 ABs in here. Here is the pink. Beautiful. Take a look at these purple. This is kind of like a fuchsia type. Here's another red. Here's the white. This is 3756. And here is another purple, a darker purple. These are the ABs, 7 in total. 7 ABs in total. Can't complain about that. You cannot complain about that. Let's see how I'm going to put them in here. I'm going to put the inventory sheet with it. I'm going to leave it outside because I want to do this one. But I got to get on rolling. I've just been depressed a little bit lately due to the situation in the country. So here it is. That's how neat it is. the age, which is 939 AB, okay, is all over the place. So this is gonna be nice and shiny for this Christmas. I want to do this one. Okay, I probably kit it up tonight. If you give me a couple of minutes, I want to show you the other gift that they sent me. Okay, don't go away. I'll be right back. Folks, here it is. This is a good list. I had to flatten it out because some of them were loose. It was folded, and I still have to fix this corner over here. But here it is. You got, and this is great. Thank you, Coodeals, for this. Thank you so much for this. Okay. But this, along with the covering paper, okay, so thank you, Coodeals. This is great. This is very useful, this gift. And I'm going to use this number to put it in the packets. So I don't have to kit it up. All I have to do is check this, check the DMC code, and put it on it. Put it in here, okay? Even has the letter just in case. So this is great. I'm gonna leave it outside too because I'm planning to put the number, do the inventory, and I probably start tonight with this one because this is a pretty one, a gorgeous one. They have beautiful ones in there. It's just that I'm not on my budget right now. I cannot buy anything, and due to the situation in the country, I'm sorry, I cannot make any more investment. For the contrary, I'm probably going to have to sell some of the craft. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Okay, keep the peace. Stand still. Hopefully things will get resolved. You know, hopefully we won't have all the outrageous things. So keep everybody in your prayers. And don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.